The 1980 Shea coach build of a 1929 Ford Model A, offered at $14,750, is located in San Diego, California. This vehicle is a licensed reproduction of the 1929 Ford Model A, built using Ford Pinto powertrain and mechanical components. It features an automatic transmission and has 8,180 miles on the odometer. Recent service includes an oil change, new filter, spark plugs, wires, and all-new heater hoses. The cabin heater functions properly, and the car has no leaks. The cooling system, including an upgraded radiator, is efficient, even in summer idling conditions. The interior upholstery and rumble seat are in excellent condition, and the car retains all original accessories, including spare wheels and tires, a period-correct horn, a trunk, and side windows. The convertible top is in good condition and easy to operate. This car is ready for a test drive. The 1957 Lincoln Premier, priced at $29,000, is located in Beaumont, California. This well-preserved classic was restored 12 years ago, with documentation and receipts available. The car features its original engine and transmission, both of which operate smoothly. The power windows and seats are fully functional, and the interior is in excellent condition. The exterior paintwork is well-maintained, with all trim and moldings intact. While it has been driven and enjoyed, it remains in beautiful condition. The vehicle is currently registered and comes with a clean California title. Trades of equal value are considered. If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $35,500, is located in Beaumont, California. This classic car features a torch red exterior and is powered by its original numbers matching 292 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine compartment is fully detailed, matching the quality of the exterior paint. The vehicle includes brand new power seats, a new soft top with an immaculate plastic window, and an interior that has been completely refurbished. Rebuilt to Concours specifications, it runs and drives exceptionally well. The 1927 Mercedes-Benz Gazelle, priced at $10,000, is located in La Crescenta, CA. This kit car, built in 2002, combines the vintage aesthetics of a 1927 Mercedes with modern reliability. It features an automatic transmission and has 21,232 miles on the odometer. The car is in excellent mechanical condition and is equipped with rear air shocks for a smooth ride. All convertible components are included, and the vehicle is registered with a clean title under the current owner's name. This Gazelle is ideal for cruising or car shows and is ready for immediate enjoyment. The 1947 Mercury two-door coupe, priced at $25,000, is located in Visalia, California. This classic car is equipped with a 455 Oldsmobile V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The vehicle features a Mustang 2 front suspension, a 4-link rear setup, and rear airbags for improved ride quality. The exterior is white, and the interior is gray. It has 1,111 miles on the odometer since the engine swap. The car is in clean condition and ready for the road. The seller is open to trades for a drivable vehicle.